Box it up, because you're done with that traditional induction motor. Introducing the new SyMAX-SRi agriculture motor. The SyMAX-SRi motor is the ultimate motor for boosting efficiency and minimizing maintenance in the agriculture segment. It delivers lower cost and higher performance when compared to induction power. The SyMAX-SRi motor provides a lower total cost of ownership. The absence of pulleys, belts, sheaves, or bearings in our direct drive motor setup translates to cost savings in terms of parts, maintenance visits, time and energy consumption. The intelligent programmable motor control of the SyMAX-SRi motor works in synergy with its accompanying software, enabling users to customize the operation of the motor as needed. This customization ensures precise air control and yields enhanced efficiency advantages, cutting end user costs. With the SyMAX-SRi, you can be green while saving green. This powerful motor provides proven reduced energy consumption for facility air and moisture control systems. End users will see energy savings over the entire speed range. The typical overall watts consumed savings are 28% or better versus an induction motor. Additionally, the SyMAX-SRi motor can utilize an integrated digital output signal to run multiple motors off one single controller, allowing for efficiencies in cost, space, and wiring. Plus, the SRi maintains the signal across distances, allowing you an optimal system setup. The SyMAX-SRi motor is a true plug-and-play motor. It's easy to install. There's no additional VFD required, so no need for conduits, couplers, and other parts that would be needed with an induction motor installation. You'll save panel, wall space, and wiring time. In addition, since you don't need a variable frequency drive, you'll save electrician expense and programming time. The SyMAX-SRi motor stands for quality you can rely on. The Regal Rexnord team backs this workhorse with a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. The SyMAX-SRi motor is a direct drop-in replacement for 56-frame NEMA motors, while cutting costs, boosting efficiency, and minimizing required maintenance. So go ahead, save some green while being green with the SyMAX-SRi. Contact your Regal Rexnord representative today.